or have it like fried, and this one is a fried one, and we serve it with the peanuts. He just cannot help, he's hungry.
I'm really hungry.
And we serve it with peanut sauce. And you know what? Go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, there is no chili
How do you
actually.
eat it?
Halo teman-teman semua, balik lagi di Binai Channel. Nah, thank you banget buat teman-teman yang selalu setia, yang sampai gondok-gondokan nungguin vlog terbarunya Bina ya teman-teman. Nah, untuk kali ini aku masak makanan yang aku suka banget, yang datangnya dari mana lagi kalau bukan Jawa Barat. Yang pertamanya B, terakhirnya R, terus tengah-tengahnya Batagor. Enggak banget. Ya, jadi aku bakal masak Batagor. Batagor ini aku doyan banget karena aku tuh pencinta berat saus kacang, teman-teman. Nah, jadi aku belum pernah seumur hidup bikin Batagor, cuman aku kayak kepengen banget, jadinya aku hari ini mau bikin Batagor. Dan Batagorku ini akan langsung dinikmati oleh siapa lagi kalau bukan Mas Thiago, si Big T, dan juga teman-teman kita yang lain yang memang belum pernah muncul di vlognya Bina. Ayo siapa? Nah, teman-teman bakal lihat sendiri nanti ya kalau mereka sudah pada datang. Saatnya melihat resep dari YouTube dan Cookpad, dan kita akan masak Batagor. Asyik.
Halo konco-koncone mawar di Indonesia tercinta. Saeleh, piye kabare Indonesia Raya. Mbak Mawar iki lho cek suwen yo. Udah lama banget kita nggak vlogkan, nggak masak-masak. Padahal itu yo wes akeh ngenteni kan. Aku lho tak bilang ini bu, vlognya kapan bu, vlognya kapan, ojo kesuwen. Ya tapi mau gimana, katanya ibuku sibuk opo wong ibuku cues bareng iku lho, piaraan baru si Mas Raples yo lho, tapi lucu lho. Oke, kita arep masak opo yo, masak Batagor. Masak Batagor. Kita masak Batagor. Bumbune iku pokoke gampang bener. Chicken, garnelen, ampe tahu. Jadi kalau tahu iki ya terserah sak karepmu. Kalau kamu doyan tahu ya campur kayak tahu. Kalau doyan tahu ya wes ora pakai tahu. Ya, jadi itu semuanya guys dicampur-campur aja. Kalau kalian lihat guys, paling penting itu daging ayamnya sama daging garnelennya itu di blender. Jadi sampai halus kayak ngono. Nah, terus dicampur ke garam, merica, bawang putih, Nah, kalau udah dicampur kayak ngono, wes halus. Nah, baru masukkan, dituangkan tepung biasa ambek tepung tapioka kalau nggak salah ya. Kalau salah wes dimaafkan karena itu udah lama banget Mawar masaknya. Selanjutnya itu adalah memasukkan tahunya. Jadi tahu yang lembut, yang lembek dimasukkan, dicampurkan. Terus apa itu bahasa Indonesianya yo? Dinyek-nyek ngono loh, dicampur-campur. Terus sampai merata. Jadi masukkan garam. Jadi tes rasa ya. Kalau misalnya yang suka asin-asin kayak ngono ya masukkan yang asin, ya masukkan garamnya banyak-banyak. Nah, kalau udah bagus tuh adonannya udah nyek. Nah, baru ambil kulit batagornya, tinggal dimasukkan deh. Jadi kalau yang itu teman-teman bisa lah do YouTube aja lah ya. Simple. Aku tak lupa bener loh. Goreng. Nah, kalau bumbu kacangnya itu kalau nggak salah simple banget. Nah, Mawar lupa. Kali ini bumbu kacangnya ya wes pada ndelok kayak Cookpad ya, kalau enggak YouTube. Banyak lah resepnya. Gitu aja lo nanya Mbak Mawar. Pokoknya terus ya kalau resep-resep tuh aku biasanya ya lah ndelok sana ndelok sini ya, tak campur-campur ya, kadang juga enak, kadang ya enggak enak. Ya pokoknya kayak ngono yo. Wes kayaknya gampang banget dah. Ya wes. Ya udah kalau gitu. See you next time ya teman-teman. Thank you very much sudah kangen sama Mawar. Ya, tak main dulu sama Mas Raples. Bye-bye.
In the car we heard like him sing song from Blackpink for like 6 times. That's good.
Is it recording now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Oh wait, it's recording because I actually did this to the camera. But I was like, the first word was like fucking good.
Ah, thank you.
Okay, we're gonna do the greets. I don't know when I'm gonna count, and then everybody's like, "Hey."
Hey, yeah, like she's gonna speak a lot Indonesian, and when
Okay.
she finish, say hi.
Okay.
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 To the camera.
Yes, exactly. Oh, no, like
Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back to Binai Channel. Balik lagi di Binai Channel teman-teman. Dan seperti yang kalian lihat, akhirnya kita punya tamu lagi. So we have guest today. You know the owner of the channel.
That doesn't get paid. Yeah.
The star of the channel. Let's say the star of the channel. And we have two new guests. Yeah! So I think I'm gonna let the lady to introduce herself first.
Okay, hi guys. My name is Ruku. I'm from Japan.
Yay! Hello, Ruku. And what you doing here in Canada?
I study English and I will go college
College. Ah, okay.
next month.
Next
Yeah.
month.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
cool.
Next month.
This month.
This
Yeah,
month.
yeah.
Next week.
No, next one.
Oh my
Don't-
god.
So that was Ruku. She's from Japan and she's a student in Canada. And the next one, I'll let you introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Joseph. I'm from the Philippines.
Yes, from our neighbor country, teman-teman, orang Filipina.
I don't know
Most
what
of
that
you.
means.
Don't worry, there's a lot of like.
Okay.
Okay, guys, this is the meal. If you see in front of you, anybody can guess what's that.
It's fried. It's with the peanut sauce.
It is a peanut sauce, correct?
This is
It's veggie or meat?
It's a good question. It's a meat, chicken, and I mix it with the prawns.
it's shrimps because they look like this
Yeah, but with the skin. The
tempura.
Tempura, it
Shrimp
looks
also.
like.
Really?
Yeah.
Well-
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna explain because he's hungry. This what I serve you guys. This is the food come from West Java. Indonesia is like islands country. This is basically a fried wonton. If you know wonton, you know like the
Wonton,
Chinese
yeah.
wonton.
Yes, I know.
So they have you can like either have it like cook or have it like fried. And this one is the fried one, and we serve it with the peanuts. He just cannot help. He's hungry.
I'm really hungry.
And we serve it with peanut sauce. And you know what? Go ahead.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, there is no
How do
chili.
you
Actually,
eat
I
it?
just noticed there is
No,
no
I
chili.
mean, like you can have like some sauce. It's just like because I don't know my new 3 guests. I know he's the one he doesn't eat spicy. Do you eat spicy? You eat spicy? Okay. And yeah, I didn't make any chili sauce.
This is really good actually.
Good. Yes. This is my first time making this actually. Yeah. I just
How is
want
it called?
Batagor. It's
Batagor.
basically.
In the subtitles right here. If you didn't understand the word, you can read it. Right here. In the edit, right here. I want it right here in my hand, okay? Right here. But I'm gonna look like dumb doing this thing on the
So,
camera.
what's the name, Thiago? Batagor.
Balaga.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
It's very good.
It's crunchy. I like the crunchy part.
Yeah. No, Thiago made me laugh. That made me sweat.
Get
It's
some
like
air.
tofu.
Alright.
Oh, it's tofu?
Tofu, right?
It's with tofu, yeah. You don't like tofu, Pipi?
I like
So
it.
it's like how I made it is actually I put in a blender the meat from chicken. You can do that chicken breast and a little bit prawn, and then the soft tofu. Just mix it together. Put like a little bit garlic and salt, pepper, like standard. And yeah, and then you bought the skin, the wonton skin, and then just put it and fried it. It's very easy to make.
Instructions like you.
Really? Now we like to eat this like for our lunch. But sometimes you can eat it with dinner. As a dinner meal.
I actually never eat something like that.
Really?
We don't have nothing like this in Brazil.
Yeah, but it's very unfamiliar to me.
Really?
Yeah. It's good though, it's really good.
Yeah, it's very good.
It's like, it's sweet, but not sweet.
Not too much.
Not too much.
It's come from the sweet soybean maybe. Soy sauce.
It's the crunchy that gets me though. It's really good.
But the sweet soya ketchup is also familiar in Philippines, right? Or do Philippines eat like? No. Like what is this guy talking about? No, I mean in Indonesia it's pretty famous that like many meals are sweetened by this soya ketchup. It's called like sweet soya sauce. And I thought like okay, Philippines like neighboring country, maybe it's the same or similar.
I mean, some dishes are, I feel, but not everything for sure.
Not everything.
Yeah. Like this is very new to me.
Okay.
For example.
It's actually really good.
I thought you were gonna say something. Forget.
No, when the food, the food is good, I get quiet.
Where's the washroom at?
Oh,
Over there.
this one.
Well, pause for the video right now.
We'll be right back.
Be right back.
Sorry.
Have you ever been so thirsty that you need some water? Have you ever been so thirsty that you need some refreshment? Take your Nestle Pure Life.
Oh my god.
We have.
This video is not sponsored.
This video is not sponsored at all. No, we did like a workout video.
Oh, really?
So there was Nick that started,
Yeah.
and then I was the second one. The second part is me.
Oh, really?
But someone here didn't put it. So that's the thing. And people are like saying, oh my god, Nick is so strong. And Thiago is like, oh my god, yeah, Nick is strong. And then I was like, dude, what about my part? There was a part that was like, "Roar!" And there's nothing there. And then I was like, okay, let's see part 2. And I was like, no.
20 videos later.
No, I don't know
not
anything.
there.
Dude, Avengers finished. The whole Avengers saga is done. Black Panther died. COVID attacked. And we still don't have this video.
Like years ago.
Like a year.
Almost a year.
Almost a year. Because if I see a trailer from Avengers, like Marvel new movie coming up, and this video is not there yet, I will sue your channel.
You promised you were gonna
Yeah,
give
you
this.
promised. I already put 200 kg.
I know.
almost died.
And I was like almost dying. I was like all hyped. I took like so much pre-workout to be able to lift. I was like, oh guys, let's go. Let's go. Like I put like my nice shirt,
3 Red Bulls.
3 Red Bulls, like all ready to go. And then like the whole video, I'm like, okay, so my part is coming. But then like I saw the video was 10 minutes, and I was like, oh my gosh, she cut out a lot of it. And then I was like, oh, let me see that, right? So then like the whole like Nick workout appears, and it was like, this is like long. And I was like, how many more minutes I have? And then like I pressed like space, and there was like 2 minutes left. I was like,
Still not there.
no, and then I was like, if I appear in 2 minutes only, I will sue this company. And then after like 1 minute passed, and like you can see like the bye
Because I was thinking to make it 2 videos. But yeah, you're right. It's been like, hey, how many videos? I'm gonna
Maybe
put it
one
up.
workout video per year.
Yeah.
guy.
The second one will be
Yeah,
the
yeah,
next
yeah,
one.
yeah. It's like nice.
So yeah, for me I liked it a lot. I love crunchy stuff and peanuts, so I finished everything. And I could have eaten 2 more plates of this. It was really good. I love I think my most favorite part is the peanut sauce.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, peanut sauce, and it's 10 points for me. So
Cool.
thumbs up.
Yay.
Thank you, Nancy.
Yay, you're
It,
welcome.
it's so yummy and like tastes like spicy and like sweet and like tough and like chewy, chewy.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
So you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Oh yeah, so you finish it, you destroy it. That's like Thiago's word. I destroy it. So Joseph.
I think it was very good, to be honest. My favorite part was the sweet soy sauce. Was that it?
Yes.
Yeah.
You like the sweet rice, the one that I didn't make.
No, I mean of the dish. You know.
Okay.
Also the crunchy part. I like fried food, to be honest. So it's very good. Yeah, I loved it.
So is it any like similar kind of like crunchy food in the Philippines? Because I mean we're a neighbor country, right? So I was imagine that you have this similar stuff.
We have lots of fried stuff, but I haven't encountered anything like this with a peanut sauce. You know, this is very new to me.
Right.
Yeah, but it's very good. Yeah.
Oh, surprise! Okay, that's it, guys.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. See you tomorrow. Favorite. So, really good plate. Good amount of like crunchiness with soft, like sweet.
Professional.
All professional right here, like Thiago Renzi, okay? Master Chef Brazil. I like the peanut sauce. I just didn't eat it too much because like Thiago is trying not to get crazy on this because I know there's more food coming up. So if I go crazy here, I'm not gonna be able to finish everything. So the crunchiness was good. The sweet was good because like the crunchiness made like you eat more and don't realize they're actually eating until you finish, which was like really good. We don't have anything like that in Brazil. Like maybe the closest would be like if you eat like kind of like the crunchiness of the pastel because we have pastel is like right there, like maybe like that crunch. It looks the similar, but rest of it is different. Like there's nothing like that in Brazil. I think maybe like more on the north, on the south, like where I don't live. Maybe they have something similar, but I personally never eaten something like that. I really like it. Was good. Was really fresh, and as an appetizer, it's good because I can still eat more. I can still like talk, chill, and do it. Yeah. So, thumbs up.
Yay! Well, okay, that's it, guys. Dan seneng banget teman-teman, ternyata mereka suka sama Batagor. Dan siapa sih yang gak suka sama Batagor, ya kan? Dan okay guys, I'm just gonna please give your honest points. I'm just gonna count 1 to 3 how many points you do. So we have 1 is the worst and 10 is the best. And if I say 1 to 3, everybody just put your fingers and then hold it for a couple of seconds. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have to check in on the video later.
1 to 10.
1 to 10?
You want to 10? Yeah.
Not 3. Like,
1 to 10.
Oh, okay.
That was so funny because I did this, and then I was like, oh, let me see the other one, and then I saw it, and I saw it look like this, and I was like,
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yay! So I'm gonna see on the video what's point they give, and it's very
I
exciting.
saw a lot of fingers, so.
yeah, couldn't really count.
Yeah, that's cool. So thank you so much, guys, and thank you for enjoying the food. And
Thank you.
don't forget to what?
don't forget to like, subscribe, comment,
Share.
Team Thiago, share,
Yeah.
Instagram, Facebook,
YouTube.
What? You just say it.
Twitch.
Which
Follow me. I don't know. I don't have. So bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time. Bye.
See ya.